Okay, I found a Facebook page, MAYTAG Engines Show and Tell, Buy, Sell, Trade. I put a post on there for needed parts, and Ed Butler, who is a member of that Facebook page, helped me out, and he helped me obtain a coil, points, condenser, backing plate, exhaust manifold, kickstart arm, magnet, and a hub. So we'll clean these up a little bit and get them on the motor and see what happens. Okay, so got all the parts from Ed Butler. Took the ignition plate completely apart. Cleaned everything. I use mineral spirits and 99% alcohol. The exhaust manifold, I soaked that in MEK, and that seems to break down the carbon quite well. So got everything all cleaned up, got everything all reassembled, got the magnet in the flywheel, and just gonna adjust and tighten everything up and see what happens. I always put a heavy wire or a piece of metal across my magnet, and it just seems to help keep the magnetism in the magnet. So I put that little bent piece of wire on there. That's all I had right here readily available. But everything is looking good, and we'll proceed. Cleaned the new hub and also reinstalled that. Okay, with all new parts installed, coil, points, new hub, couple new governor pieces. We just put a makeshift plug wire in there with an alligator clip and clipped it to the plug, and we'll see if we can get some spark. Okay, so everything's assembled, everything's tightened up, and we're going to put a little WD-40 in there with some ether and see if we can get this to do something.